Hi guys, today I will talk about async bulk email sender with Kafka. Let's start. I already found one example how we can integrate Spring to Kafka and I will use it. First, we need to use Kafka Spring Kafka dependency. And let's refresh it. I already installed Kafka to my computer, so you need to do the same. We need to set up topic, producer, and consumer. Let's start from topic. Let's name our topic name email message topic. We need to have partitions. The partitions should be more than or equal to count of our application, maximum application. Let's say we are planning to scale our service maximum to 10. In that case, partitions can be 10, 20. It is better to have factor of maximum number of partitions, but it is not a must be requirement. It can be 10, 15, 20, 30. Yeah, let's choose number of partitions. For now, I think one is okay. And so for next, let's configure our application properties. Here I set Kafka address. So next we need to configure our producer. And next one, our no need for that yet. Now let's configure our consumer. So we also need to set group ID. If we have one topic and each topic can have one or multiple offsets, and for each group of consumers we need to have one group ID. For this application we only have one consumer group. It means that there are only one user of this topic, so it doesn't matter if you configure it group ID or if you don't configure, but let's configure it. So I will make it same as topic name. Yeah, now we can set up our producer and consumer. First, let's start from producer. Previously, the idea was like that. When new email message is ready, we were creating the entity, and our scheduler was continuously checking the database to see if there are new pending items. If yes, it was taking the email message and it was sending it. And we are changing the mechanism. Instead of checking the database continuously, here in email message service, we will send this entity, this data, to Kafka, and this data will go to Kafka and will go through Kafka topic and will go back to our another service and will be processed here. In that case, Kafka is like a queue, a tunnel between two parts of application. So I think you will understand after you see the implementation. It is try to implement it. Instead of sending the whole message to the Kafka, I will send only the ID of the message, because in all cases we can get the data from database. So no need for this particular case, no need to send whole data to the Kafka. So the topic name will be this topic. As our ID is long, I will use long in all places. So for producer also, yeah, it is also added. Now here we send our entity ID to Kafka topic. I will disable this service, so no need for to send a mechanism, otherwise we will have duplicate messages. Now let's create another email message sender. Not sender, actually, email message. Let's name it email message Kafka scheduler. Actually, we can also find better name, but for now it is okay. Now what we need to do here, let me copy some of the codes. Now we need to consume Kafka messages here. Topic name and group name was same, and we will receive long entity ID or message ID. So we located our entity. Now it's converted to the data. These are ready. Let's configure our logger, and rest is same. Basically, it is similar technique to this scheduler, but the only difference is instead of continuously getting the data from database, we are getting it from Kafka. Now let's deep dive and let's understand how exactly it is working. Yeah. Here we send our ID to Kafka. It is going to Kafka, and here we are receiving it from Kafka, and we are sending the email. It becomes async because when we send it to Kafka, we don't wait for any processing or anything. So it is already async. It is somehow immediate, very close to immediate. Uh, Sorry, it should be lower. It should start with lowercase, I think. Let me double check. No. Topic name, email message topic. Yeah, it is different. Uh, yeah, now it is correct. So, so we said that it is async. Second, inside Kafka there a queue. Actually, it is both topic and queue. So if there are a lot of messages going from here to Kafka, but our application, our logic cannot send this number of messages, the message will wait on queue. Even our application is started or it is crashed, it will continue reading the message from the point where it was last time, and it means that we can control the pressure with help of Kafka. Also, if we scale our applications, just let's think we have one producer, but we have multiple listeners, multiple consumers. It means that here we will send message to Kafka, but we will have two executor, two email sender, and each one will send one unique item from Kafka and they will execute it. So with help of this mechanism, we can easily achieve scalability. Now it's time to test. It is on our course and let's hope it will work. Yeah, let's wait. I started Zookeeper and seems like it is using port 8080. So let's use different port. I also have a mistake here. I fixed it. We have an error. Yeah. The problem is in our serializers. I have not changed it. So here we need to use long serializer instead of string. No. Yeah. It should be serializer, but it should be deserializer. Yeah, it's worked. To be sure, let's add a breakpoint to here. Yeah, it is executing. So as you see, we use Kafka and we sent our message through Kafka, and it become async. It is already bulk, and it becomes scalable. So that's all. Thank you for watching.